How to turn off data saver on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off data saver on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and now here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy and scroll down until you find data saver. And if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see data saver have been turned off. Now just go back and that's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.